Let's run a semantic search using search type semantic similarity for the phrase "what rumors about." We can see 5 results returned as specified in the query. We get 5 distances, 5 text entries, and 5 IDs for the most similar documents found by the semantic search. In most of the retrieved documents, we can directly see the word rumors. However, in the first document we don't see the word rumors or any obvious synonyms. At the same time, the phrase in the document effectively explains what rumors are. This shows that semantic search truly understands the meaning, not just the exact words.